Good morning, all of you. Have a very safe and healthy life during this COVID times, because this is the most, I would say, vulnerable time for all kind of acute diseases, whether it is physical or mental. Because out of anxiety, which we say or which we assume that it is 80% of all our diseases are psychosomatic. So during these COVID times, these kind of psychosomatic expressions are commonly seen in either our geriatric cases or chronic diseases, or even commonly seen in every common third person because of the forced lockdown due to COVID. Now, I'll introduce myself. We have a certain breed of homeopaths who actually practice allopathy using homeopathic medicines,
Yeah.
which actually they justify themselves and they're conscious by thinking and telling that at least we are practicing homeopathy. I give them due credit, because to start homeopathic practice after studying, graduating with family responsibilities, it is actually a perseverance to practice homeopathy, not even patience count. Perseverance does pays with homeopathic practice. But like our master has guided us with Audi Sapir, we have to be dare to be wise, and we have to be very convinced with whatever we are dealing with. We while treating them, like if there is case of dyspepsia or headache, so while treating them, we tell them that this medicine will only help you with your acute symptoms. But if you want to prevent this from happening, you will have to come and come with some time to spend with us. So then, like when I say you once a month, so then 1 month we go only for these chronic patients who come back to get rid of their sufferings forever. So
Okay.
one day, like it will be like third month, we go for chronic cases. So that is when we spend more time. Then we have a detailed case taking, and then we go back to each symptoms, and then we take a proper history, detailed case taking, and then we prescribe the constitution.
But first you have to gain their trust in treating
Exactly,
the acute
exactly,
cases. Okay.
exactly, exactly. Unless we don't relieve the patient suffering with homeopathy, how can we relieve their mindset that homeopathy is only for chronic diseases or homeopathy is slow in acting?
Yeah.
So unless and until we don't give them relief, we have to retain our patients with us, with homeopaths. Anywhere we open up homeopathic practice, patients are going to walk in into your chamber. Patients want homeopathy. Patients are afraid of allopathic side effects. Patients are aware that allopathic medicines don't cure. I am not blaming allopathic doctors, because that is their pharmacology and that is what they have studied. If we have to accept our scope and limitations also. We cannot just say that we can treat everything with homeopathy. We have to understand our scope and limitations. If allopathic medicines is required, we have to give it. If there is a pediatric case in front of me, an infant who has fever, I cannot tell the parent that you take homeopathy and wait and watch. I have to tell the parent, go to your pediatrician, take allopathic medicine, bring down the fever. Then we can look into if there's a relapse or if there is an infection, then we can look into with homeopathic treatment.